personal. That's not a question. Okay, Marvin Pineda, can I learn more from your background, how to invest, how to earn more money? To be honest, I'm a lazy person, but I'm still working to earn 50K or 100K is good to invest, is guaranteed money back. Lastly, how much time will it take to learn? Thank you. Hoping to notice my message. That's a lot of questions, Marvin Pineda. Number one, let's see. Kung sino man yung nagbibenta ng gas mask na mahal, comment below kung alam nyo. Here's the thing about that. It's nice to have supply and demand. You know that there's a lot of people wanting it, but it's borderline also abuso, that they're trying to take advantage of people that actually need protection, selling it for a very very large amount of money. I don't think that's something that's fair. It's nice to make a profit, but don't abuse people naman also, especially on their times of need. In this video, I will answer the top questions that you guys sent out via Facebook. It's me reading the messages that you guys sent me, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. So if you guys want to learn more what people are asking, what are the top questions that they are asking, with one goal in mind, hoping that the ones that they're asking are the things that you want to know also. So if you want to know more, check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Gerbo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and smash that bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing, about the stock market, about financial freedom. We've got one goal in mind. I want you guys to win. So if this is something that adds so much value to you, please subscribe, smash the bell, press the like button, and stay till the end of the video. Hey guys, so in this video, I want to answer the top questions that you guys sent out via Facebook. These are all random. No? I'll try to read the ones that I have not answered. By the way, I try to answer all of my questions or all of the things that you sent me, that you would send me via Facebook. But it's just that I've been so busy over the past few months that I could not answer your questions, all of them. But yung nagagawa ko is basically this. The ones that would send the questions while I have my phone with me, I try to answer them most of the time. But most of the time also I don't. So I apologize for those who have been sending questions in Instagram, in Facebook, and I have not been able to answer them as well. So I'm going to take this time. Probably let's try to take 15 to 17 minutes in this YouTube session for me to be able to answer some of your questions as well. So this will be posted on YouTube, and if you like this format naman, just send your questions and then in Facebook, I guess, and then I'm gonna answer them as well. So let's do this. So number one, let's start. We have Daphne Bangunan. She's asking, which brokerage do you use for Bitcoin? So there's a thing about Bitcoin. No? Some people just buy the wallet. The wallet is, there's a lot here you can pick from coins.ph. That's some sort of your digital wallet. Think about a physical wallet where you store your peso, your dollar, or whatever, pitaka. You have e-wallets naman where you store your cryptocurrency. So that's what coins.ph is, and other platforms are. For trading, what you can do is this. Number one, you can use Binance. It's purely a trading platform. For those who trade forex, it looks similar to that as well. But for forex, you trade currency pairs. In Binance, you trade the platform, you trade the cryptocurrencies that you want to trade. So not just the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, etc., but also the altcoins that are relatively smaller are there as well. So for those who want to speculate, you can use that. And another one is you can buy cryptocurrencies via CFDs. I've created videos about eToro. I'll put the link below on how you can actually do it. But CFDs allow you to buy cryptocurrencies as its underlying asset, and then you follow the fluctuations of it. Meaning, if the cryptocurrency that you bought moved up 5%, and then assuming you don't have any leverage, also your investment on that CFD would also give you 5%. So I hope I answered your question, Daphne. Next, Annalisa Escramosa. Okay, nag-greet lang, Happy New Year. Okay. Snooki Artiaga. Sir, gusto ko pa mag-invest sa stock market. So, I get a lot of questions like this. So, my suggestion, please go to my YouTube channel. I have a playlist. It's called Stock Market Basics. I'll also put the link below, or I'll try to put it in the cards as well. It's more than, I think, 300 videos already on the basics of the market. So, it will answer a lot of the basic questions that you would need to know. So, by the way, if you have a basic question, most likely I already have a video on it in YouTube. That's why there's more than 1,000 videos already. I know I haven't answered every foreseeable question that could be asked, but I guess out of the 1,000 videos that are there will be some of the questions that you may want to ask that are already there as well. So, Snooki Artiaga, my comment to you is please go to the Stock Market Basics playlist on YouTube. And then if you have any specific questions off of that, just reply to this as well. So comment below, guys, if you're learning from all of this. Perry C. Adias. Hello, would you consider myself a relatively newbie in the industry, but I have a couple of investments myself and I've been learning for the past 7 years. What's considering which class do you recommend for me to attend first? So if you're asking about the stock market sessions that we have, no, basically the technical and fundamental sessions are foundational. They target people who have zero knowledge in the market, but they also target people who are already trading and want to refine it. So for basically, if you're investing already for 7 years, there might be some concepts there that you know already, but there will be some concepts there also that you may not know. And I guess the difference about the Stock Smart sessions is I also try to add the things that I do personally on my journey, on my road, on my own, I guess, particular strategies in terms of buying and selling as well. So, but the course is, I've seen through the years some people who have been investing for 5, 10, 15, 20 years already that have been coming and have been learning from it as well. So, if this is something that has helped them, I'm sure this is something also that you can get from it as well. So, I hope I answered your question, Perry Adias. Lester Johns asking, am I available to chat? Yes, this is it already. My suggestion, by the way, guys, for those who want to chat, please put your question already. Aside from putting, are you available to chat, already put the next question that you would want to ask me, because baka hindi ko na siya mabalikan. Normally, when I see someone send a message, I try to reply as much as I can. Then, baka, because there's a lot of messages coming in also, baka hindi ko na siya nababalikan as well. Next. Nabasa ko na to, Brian Arante. Let's look at this. Dana Marie Bangalasinan. Good afternoon. Sir, do you know kung legit ang Phil Stocks? I was planning on opening an account instead of First Metro and naisip ko Phil Stocks. What are your thoughts po? Maraming salamat po sa time. God bless you. Here's the thing. How do you know if a brokerage is legit? Just go to philippine.stockexchange.com, pse.com.ph, and then trading participants, the list of the brokerages that are there will any name that's there are definitely legit. That's how you can differentiate the ones that are legit and not the ones that are regulated and not. So as long as it's there, as long as the list of the company is there, the brokerage is there, that's definitely legit. So that's definitely a good corporation. I posted a video also. If you're asking about First Metro SecGo, I have a video also. I'll try to put them on the description as well. And I'm lalagay sa description about First Metro SecGo. By the way, for those who wanted to know also about the seminars, sa tanong kanina, basically, all of the seminars are in the links below from Manila, London, Taiwan, Singapore, Qatar, Dubai, Tokyo, and New Zealand and Sydney. They're all down below in the description. I hope to see you guys there. And yun, I might be in Hong Kong this March, but it will be just for vacation. But since I'll be there for around 5 days, let's see if we can do 1 day for Stock Smart Hong Kong. I don't know, but just comment below if you guys want to learn from that as well. Personal, that's not a question. Okay, Marvin Pineda, can I learn more from your background, how to invest, how to earn more money? To be honest, I'm a lazy person, but I'm still working to earn 50K or 100K is good to invest, is guaranteed money back. Lastly, how much time will it take to learn? Thank you, hoping to notice my message. That's a lot of questions, Marvin Pineda. Number one, let's see. To be honest, I'm a lazy person, but I'm still working to earn. Number one, it's this. The technique in everything, the technique in money is, if it was, there's wealth is not easy. Also, when people say that it's easy to get rich, they're trying to mislead you as well. Everything that is lasting, everything that will give you financial freedom also is something that you work hard for. It's something that will sometimes be your blood, sweat, and tears. It's something that while you're in the building stage of your life, you really have to toil, you really have to push, you really have to work hard for it, because it's something also that will set you for life as well. I've been saying this over and over. 5, 7, 10 years of hustling, leveraging, investing, living simply can lead to a life of prosperity. So at the end of the day, you have to work hard for it. At the end of the day, you have to push hard for it. There's no shortcuts to success. There's no shortcuts to financial freedom. So if you think right now you're a lazy person, it's good that you already know who you are, and now you also have to step out of your comfort zone and try to do something different, try to do something that's hard. Next question you're asking, 50,000 or 100,000, is it good to invest? The name of the game is this: you only invest money that you can tolerate to lose. So it can be a million, it can be 5 million, it can be 10 million, as long as it's money that if it goes to zero, you're supposed to be okay with it. So if it drops a certain percentage, you won't lose sleep about it. But if you're asking me, the technique is to put in as much as you can so that you get to have more assets working hard for you. And it's not a number, there's no rule of thumb, but it's just what you're more comfortable in. Next, is there a guaranteed money back? That depends on where you're investing. I've placed so many videos. Again, please go to the Investing Basics playlist. I'll try to put it also below. But the more risk-averse investments, the ones that give you guaranteed income, are low risk but have low return. You can get guaranteed returns, but again, you won't really get a large amount of money back. In the same way, those that will give you the potential of higher rates of return, they won't really give you high money. They won't really give you high rates of return. However, they will give you high rates of return, but they also have risks that you can also lose a lot of money. And that's the rule of thumb: high risk, high reward; low risk, low reward; guaranteed amount, fixed earnings; not guaranteed amount, the ability to earn more, but also the ability to lose your money. Lastly, how much time would it take to earn money? That's variable already. I've seen people learn it very, very fast, and then they get to earn quickly. Also, I've seen people take them a longer period of time. Please remember, and I've been saying this in so many videos that I make, all of this are all skills based. It's based on the amount of skill that you have. Meaning, not all of us will learn to ride the bike quickly. Some will take a few days, some will take a few weeks, some will take a few months. Ganun din sa swimming. Some will take a longer time for them to learn swimming. Some it will be faster for them as well. So it purely depends on you, the amount of effort, the amount of practice, and of course your inherent, I guess, biases, psyche, mentality already when it comes to investing. So I hope I answered your question, Marvin Pineda. Next, Egan Rubio. Sir, good PM, sir. The PSC as a whole, as with the US attack Iran, will the eruption of Taal, how will it affect the market? Couple of things. Number one, what happened in Iran for a very, very short snippet of time brought up oil, brought up gold. But as of this point in time, all of those fears are gone already. I think that all of the fears, because they did not, a full-scale war did not happen. So that's out of the table for now. World War III won't happen next week. So even the US markets have hit all-time highs. The Philippines, though, still relatively sideways. In terms of the eruption of Taal, I think it will affect a lot of agricultural crops. Based on the pictures that I've seen, it affected a lot of farmlands as well. Then there will be a lot of people that have a lot of damages. So I haven't really seen the entire picture of it. But of course, anytime a calamity happens, anytime something gets destroyed, it has an impact on our economy as well. That's why, if you remember Ondoy, when Ondoy happened, it had an impact dun sa mga nasalanta nila na crops as well. So definitely there will be losers because of this. But in the same way, similar to what happened in Tacloban from Yolanda, Tacloban got hit, but because there was a lot of rebuilding that happened, the economy there got better, construction got better, so the economy got better also because of what happened in Tacloban. Just even because there was something that bad happened in Tacloban, the economy was able to rebound as well. So there will be winners and there will be losers as well. In the PSC as a whole, ganun din, there will be companies that won't be affected as much. There will be companies that will be affected as well. You have to look at it based on what you have bought, and if the company that you have bought have been affected, please remember also this will affect probably end consumers that got hit as well. Alam ko kung sino nanalo. One of the biggest winners, I don't know if it's even listed. Kung sino man yung nagbibenta ng gas mask na mahal, comment below kung alam nyo. Here's the thing about that. It's nice to have supply and demand. You know that there's a lot of people wanting it, but it's borderline also abuso, that they're trying to take advantage of people that actually need protection, selling it for a very, very large amount of money. I don't think that's something that's fair. It's nice to make a profit, but don't abuse people naman also, especially on their times of need. So that's just my thoughts about it. Anyways, uh, Cheryl Pizarro. Okay. She's asking an MP2 question. I think I answered this already part of the videos that I've done. No, but if you've missed some of the MP2 videos that I've made, I also have a playlist about it. I'll try to put it also in the description. It tried to cover most of the basic questions about MP2 as well. McCoy saying thank you. Dadaanan na lang natin yan. Si Carlo Valdez. Let's see. Good day. Sir, ask ko lang po, if meron kayo masasuggest na insurance company na nagbibenta ng term life insurance, based po kasi ako sa mga napapanood ko, parang maganda po yun kesa sa VL. Thanks in advance. Now, here's the difference between term life insurance. So, by the way, all insurance companies that have VUL, they also have a term life insurance. So, to answer your question, whoever your provider is, whoever you're talking to right now, you can just ask them that you want term insurance and they also have it as well. The difference lang between term insurance is it doesn't have any investment component in it. Since it doesn't have an investment component in it, it basically gives you protection. So if you are a person that likes pure protection, no investment attached to it, then term insurance might be the investment that will fit you as well. So I guess Carlo Valdez, it's case to case basis. It depends on what you want, where you are in your stage of life, and that's the investment or that's the insurance that you will need as well. But to answer your question directly, all insurance companies have term insurance. They should have term insurance as well, and you can just ask your whoever your financial advisor or who your agent is. Marcelo Olavides. What's this? Hello, sir. I'm Shelo, OFW from UAE. Really avid fan of yours, and your videos really helped me a lot. I saw a recent post of yours, maybe typo error, but would like to point it out. This 2020, change your ways and avoid saving. Oh yes, it's a typo error. Sorry, I'm sorry. We make mistakes also when we post articles and we post ano. So I apologize for that. Yes, it's a typo error. Yeah, it happens. So thank you for pointing that out. Cheryl Apples, are you available to chat? Yes, I am. Again, eto na yun. Please make, anytime you send me questions, please don't just put are you available to chat. Please put your specific questions already. Ganun din, Wilson Luas asking, can you tell me about myself? Rosito Abarsha. What's this? Marvin Germo, best-selling author, mentor me Monday. Oh, this is gusto ko mag-join sa online yung how to learn about stocks. Same thing, Rosita Abarsha, please look at the stock market basics section of my playlist, and then all of the questions that you will have that you want to learn are there as well. If you want to learn the stock market via Tagalog, I have a link below. It's a collaboration with Chiquitan. It's the basics of the stock market in Tagalog. If you want to learn about business and the basics of the stock market naman, I have a collaboration also with Shansi. It's also in the link below. It's called Make Money, Grow Money. Those are all online courses, online resources. So there's 3 ways for you to learn online. Number 1, Tagalog stock market basics with Chiquitan. Link down below. Number 2, Make Money, Grow Money. The basics of how you can start your own business and how you can start in the stock market, collaboration with Shansi. It's also in the description. A third, stock market basics playlist. All of this, the third one is relatively free as well. And we'll probably end with this. Ano po, Mark Mercolita, ano po ang charting software or charting site na gamit nyo? Most of the time, I use a Singaporean-based app. It's called Chart Nexus. You can download it. But I use the paid version because it gives me longer data sets as well. So I guess that's it. Please continue to send in your questions. And if you like this format where I get to answer all of your questions one by one, just send them. I'll try to do a format naman in YouTube where I answer all of your comments naman and try to make a video off of that. If this is something that's helping you, please comment. I'm learning. Smash that like button if you like it also. So that I guess this is my way to interact. And the reason why I'm doing this also is I hope that some of those that sent questions, that if you have the same questions as them, it hits 2 birds with 1 stone already, that you get educated as well. So I guess that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.